Do you mind? Thank you. G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. This video is different. Maybe you haven't noticed yet, but you can view this video in a really crisp 720p. Maybe you're looking through the settings now, but you can also view it in a super crisp, okay, well, about the same crispness, 1080p. Or if you really want, and YouTube and the YouTube gods have allowed me to do this, you might just be able to view it in a full 4K. That's right, guys. I got a new camera. This is a Panasonic HC VX980M. I don't understand why camera companies can't just do what car companies do and be like, this is a Panasonic, I don't know, Camry or something. Just something that doesn't involve me reading out a bunch of different numbers that I don't understand. But regardless, I got a new camera, and it is crisp. It is so awesome. I am not using a external mic for this. This is just a just the microphone that it uses. I might be squinting a lot. That's because there's a forward-facing light on this camera, and it is bright. It's an LED that's going straight into my eyes. It hurts. But yeah, I'm just using the internal microphone in this video, so it might be bad. It might be really terrible. And only time will tell whether or not it's any good. Not sure whether or not the camera can pick that up. It is actually a really sweet looking camera. I picked it up for about $900. As for the old camera, I did end up selling it. It's hopefully it goes to a good home. By the way, if you ever have to sell anything ever, and you think, you know, it's worth any money at all, do not, I repeat, do not go to cash converters. Because, like, if you live in Australia, just sell it on Gumtree. Don't go to cash converters, because they will always rip you off. They'll always give you like 10% of what you're asking. Nah, just don't go to them. It's a terrible company to go through. Here is some footage with the new camera. Anyway, so in case the audio is bad, I'm slightly closer now. This light is so bright. But yeah, I hope you guys really like the new camera. From a buyer's point of view, like straight out of the box, this thing has just been charged, nothing else. I've hardly looked through the instructions. Who reads instructions nowadays? But from what I can tell, this is going to be an awesome camera to use. And so far, what I can say is that it's got really nice, crisp autofocus. However, in low light conditions, I feel as though I need sunnies because this is so bright. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one and it had like, there's no purpose behind it. It's just to show off this new camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed it for whatever reason, or maybe you're looking to buy this camera, and so far I can say it's a nice camera. It's quite good at doing the filming. But new video coming out shortly. I am currently working on about 3 different projects for you guys. One of them will probably take a few months to actually finish. It's not necessarily a big project, it's just really hard. There's 2 other projects. Hopefully one of them will be coming out over the next week. I'm not entirely sure about that. The second video will probably be coming out in maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I'm trying really hard to try and get both of these done as quickly as possible for you guys, because I reckon you're probably gonna like both of them. So remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers. What is it with all of the animals trying to make noise whilst I'm... Like, got the dog next door, You got the crickets in the background. Kookaburra lose its cool across the road. I'm done.